Hello, welcome. This tutorial will be showing us how to use the assets menu of Churchio. And so we head to the assets menu. It's by the left here. And under the assets menu, we'll have the following sub-menus. We'll have the new asset sub-menu. We'll have the asset list sub-menu. And then we'll have the management history sub-menu. The new asset sub-menu gives you the ability to keep record of your assets that add new assets to your records. So you provide the date the asset was purchased. So we're going to use the test date for 14th December 2020, and then you enter the name of your asset. So let's say I'm purchasing projector screens, and then the quantity, and let's say I'm purchasing 5 projector screens, and let's say each of the projector screen goes for 120,000 naira. Okay, and so that gives us a total cost of 600,000. If we multiply 120,000 by 5, it gives us 600,000 naira. And then if there is a discount, let's say you went to purchase and then the seller gives you a discount, you enter the discount here. So let's say they're giving us 3,000 naira discount. Sorry, 3,000 naira discount. So the total cost less the discount gives us a new cost of 597,000. So this was the amount paid, 597,000 naira. And then I select my payment mode. Am I paying by cash? Am I paying by was this leased to me? Sometimes we'll go to borrow or hire equipment. All right, so was it a lease or was it a loan that was given to us on all that? So let's say I paid cash, and so I submit. All right, asset added successfully. And so if I proceed to my asset list, I should be able to see that asset projector screens being displayed as part of the asset. All right, fine, we'll have it, projector screens. Great. Okay, so we can see two color schemes here. The red color schemes actually identify assets that are no longer in use, and then the green background color scheme identify asset that is still in use by the church. And so if you have assets and then you've disposed that asset either by decommissioning those assets or giving the assets away or selling the assets, it gives you an idea that that asset is no longer used by the church by making the background red, somewhat red. And then for assets that are still in use, we have the background as green. And so if at the point of capturing asset you made a mistake, you can always use the edit asset feature to make edits. And then if you're going to be giving this asset away, maybe you got an asset and not maybe you got new or more assets later on, you want to give these assets away, maybe to church members or to any other person, you can use the giveaway function to give this asset away. If you want to sell the asset, we also have the sell for feature. You can sell asset. And then if you want to decommission asset, we also have the decommission feature that allows you decommission asset. So while the asset list gives you a list of your assets and then gives an opportunity for you to manage this asset, you can now see a management history that gives you information about your activities on each asset. If you've sold an asset, it gives you that history, that sale history. If you've decommissioned, it gives you a history of your decommissioning of assets and all that. So by default, the management history gives you a list of assets that are currently in use, and then you can filter these records by assets that were given away, assets that were sold, and assets that were decommissioned. And so this is how you can manage your church assets. In the next video, we can see how to manage attendance. Thank you.